Good day, El Paso. Your local junk caller here, Charlie, aka Dumpster Daddy. We are on the job. Got us a little shed tear down and some trash removal from the shed. So we are here at the client's house. It's a beautiful day here in El Paso, a little overcast. But we got this shed right here. We're gonna gut it out first. We're gonna get everything up out of here. She has a couple paint cans. Checked them. Some of them had a little liquid in them. Some of them were empty. Some of them were dry. But we're gonna get all that stuff out of here. She told me that they had some issues with some rodents. Had some what they call bird feed up in there. And one day the dogs was going crazy, and they come to find out that maybe they had some rodents because the bag started busting open. All of the bird seed and bird feed was going all over the place. So they want that thing just taken care of, get rid of it. Then that's why they called your boy Dumpster Daddy out. So gonna get that done right now. Getting me some trash bags to put some of those paint cans in, and then we'll get right to work. so there it is, all done. Our client has to go make a quick run to go get the cash for this job, so we're gonna stick around and wait for her for a bit. We don't have anything else going on until probably 12. I think we have a chamber event, a ribbon cutting, but as you can see right there, that bad boy is all done. And now we are about to go figure out what to do with this stuff. We have another big job on tomorrow. This is gonna be a garage clean out, but for this one, this shed takedown, all set. Client has left. We'll stick around and wait for her for a few minutes and then we'll be on our way. Alrighty folks, so we are here. We are at this ribbon cutting. I'm trying to move further away from the actual event itself because they have the radio going. They got some good Rihanna going, word. Yeah, you feel me? But we are here. Today is a special event also because there is a full-on eclipse that we're going to be able to view. I've already taken some video of it on my phone, taking a couple of pictures. I'm trying to look for my glasses. I just had them. Maybe I dropped them over there. Nope, there they are. There they are. They're right here. So I've already looked up at the sun, and you can see the full-on moon eclipse. I guess it's a lunar eclipse going through here. But let me walk you through this event first, and then I'll show you some video of the sun.
All right, well, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for coming out today for this grand opening for El Paso Tool Rental. Congratulations, Mike.
Thank you.
And Karen and the rest of the staff for really the hard work that it takes to actually bring something like this to life, right?
Yeah, it's not
the time, the effort, you know. So congratulations to that. Thank you for your participation with the Chamber of Commerce, as well as, you know, participating with us, and as you continue to grow, we look forward to actually continuing to do these events with you and watching you guys continue to prosper. So,
all right.
Do you have any words?
I just want to say thank you for everybody for coming out. You know, I hope this is a very prosperous location, and hopefully this is the first of many additional locations.
Awesome.
All right.
Well, in honor of today, the El Paso Chamber would like to present with you guys the official Starlighter. So what that means is the Star in the Mountain is going to be lit in your honor this evening. So as you drive by the mountain, just know that this is for you guys. So congratulations on that.
Well,
so
thank you.
We're gonna go ahead and do a quick photo op here. Awesome. All right. Well, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and cut the ribbon.
Okay.
And Karen, I'm gonna hand that to you. Do you want to actually cut with him?
You want a whole half? Come on, get
Here,
up
I'll
here.
hold that for you. Thank you. All right, so, oh, all right, so don't snip it. Don't snip. Yeah, they're heavy, so don't snip just yet. So we're gonna take a couple photos. All right, and then we're gonna count back 3 to 1. So if everybody would please join me in counting together, we'll go ahead and 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I'll go ahead and take those, unburden you from those.
Thank you.
Memory. All right.
Thank you.
Well, congratulations.
All right, folks, so there you have seen it, live and in person. A shed tear down, a chamber event. So yeah, there it is. We're gonna call this a vlog. We're gonna go ahead and get ready to start the next day. So yeah, Dumpster Daddy out.